All right, this morning I want to real quickly show you how to create a Google document and then how to share that Google document. First thing you'll see is that I am in a Gmail account. This is my Dr. K. Thomas Bellerman account that I set up specifically to use at Bellerman. This is the one that you'll see me using most of the time, if not all of the time, during this course. And you'll always know it's my account because you'll see me here as the Bob Ross character. So moving over to Google Docs, and you can just see that I've just searched for Google Docs. I'm in my Gmail account. I click on that. Going to get a screen that looks like this. If you want to start a new one, you just click here. If you want to access an old document, you just go down and just click on it, and then you just start to type. Okay? As you can see, it looks like and functions like a Word document, just happens to be in the cloud so that anyone can edit it. When you get ready to share your Word document or your Google Doc, you just go to this blue button up here in the right-hand corner. It'll ask you if you want to give it a name, so you can give it a name, title it, hit save, and then this box pops up. And you can share it with me directly, okay, if that's how I ask you to do it. Generally, I'm going to give you some instructions on how I want you to share. And if I'm asking you to share a link with me, then you are going to go to change to anyone with this link. Because right now it's restricted. Only people added can open this link, okay, and they can only see it as, or only engage with it as a viewer. And I want you to set it so that I can edit it. So you're going to click on this drop-down box. You're going to change me to editor, and then you're just going to copy. Okay, so one more time, you go up to the share, you're going to go to change, you're going to change it from where it defaults, which is viewer, to editor, and then you're going to copy the link, okay, and you'll just share that link with me however I instruct you to do so. Very simple to use. Like most Google products, just shoot me an email if you have any questions.